Hello, it's Andrew from Fine & Country, and we're here today at Keephills farm near Holsworthy. The property behind me is magnificent. It's a 5-bedroom farmhouse with 4 reception rooms and an exquisite amount of outside space encompassing 5 acres as well as a wonderful collection of barns. Internally, the property has plenty of reception space. It's sociable, it's interactive. It would suit a wide range of buyers, from those who work from home, potentially multi-generational families, or indeed perhaps looking to secure some income by using part of the property to utilise in that way. Our clients have successfully run an Airbnb income stream at the property over the last few years. And also, one of the key benefits to Keephills farm is the complex of barns. In exceptional condition, they now have planning permission to be converted. One of the larger barns has consent for a 4-bedroom home, whereas the other one is a single-storey barn with consent for a 2-bedroom unit. So let's summarise on the key benefits of Keephills farm. Substantial accommodation, outstanding views, a wonderful lifestyle with huge potential to convert these barns with consent. So for more information on this wonderful home, please contact Fine & Country now on 01566 77 1919. We'd love to tell you more. Thank you.